First day at my apartment, first full day living here, sleeping here, you know, all that jazz. I've been staying at my parents' house. I've slept here for the past 2 days, but Chloe hasn't been here, so it hasn't been feeling like home. But today is the first day where she's home and I'm home, and it feels good. I just made some breakfast. I made oatmeal. Oatmeal has always been one of those things that I like, but I don't really love, and so I'm trying to get into it because I know it's like healthy. Oatmeal is way better with fruits. So I just have this oatmeal that has like almond and vanilla, and then I added blueberries and I added banana. Today I gotta give Chloe a bath. My parents have 2 dogs, and so she needs to be brushed. She smells weird, and so I gotta give her a bath so that she could be fresh and new for this new place. And she's been doing this thing where she likes to dig. Who taught her that? Stay tuned, because there will be an apartment tour whenever this place is a little bit more ready. I don't really care if my place looks perfect for the apartment tour. I just need the place to look a little clean. But today I'm probably gonna work on my closet. I have some bar stools, and so I gotta make those, and my friends are gonna come over to help me because things are easier when you have help, you know? Y'all, look at these windows. I'm literally living my best life with these big ass, pretty ass windows. And so you wanna go get a bath? Ready? We go take a bath. Alright, Chloe, let's give you a bath. Oh, look at her. Ah! Ah! Oh, you look like a rat. Ah! She's getting me wet. God, she looks like a rat. Come on, gotta clean it. Chloe got a bath, and I gave her a trim around her eyes. This was literally my first time ever cutting around her eyes, and I did good. She did so good. So I've come to the conclusion that I'm no longer gonna live my life without purpose. My purpose is to literally live my life with new experiences, traveling or like doing things that are fun. I feel like that's what makes me happy. My purpose in life is to enjoy life, which is weird because like, how did I not like figure that out sooner? I always knew I wanted to go out and do more stuff, but like recently I've been going out and I actually have been doing new stuff, and it's making me realize that I like it so much more than I think I will like it. Like, I love it. And it's funny because I'm in Aries, and Aries are known for being like adventurous and fun, new experiences, and I'm just here like, how did I just figure that out like now? Also, this is my favorite drink in the whole world, the vitamin water, these ones. So my fridge is currently stocked with this. It tastes so good. That is so good. It is a few hours later. We are going to organize my fridge. I'm with Adora, with Nat, Tyler over there, you know the vibes. So we have created all of the bar stools. So now I have bar stools to sit on. I just got these from IKEA. They were all just $18 each. I think they're called Stick. $18, and they look this good. Chloe looks so cute. You got your hair cut, your bath, you're all clean now. Cute pimple. Alright guys, we're gonna work on my closet. I have some racks, hanging rack stuff, so I'm gonna drill them into the walls here. Probably like half of this wall will be like of my clothing rack stuff hanging, so it'll look good. Alright guys, so we just made this stuff. We were just eating it. We have some pumpkin cake. Don't they look so good? And we got some chocolate chip muffins. and cheesecake. But yeah, now we're just chilling, eating, and then we're gonna work on the closet in a little bit. Hopefully that goes well. My racks from IKEA didn't come with nails, so we went to go buy some. Hopefully it can go into the wall.
Hopefully.
This bracelet is so cute.
What's it, anybody?
I'm good.
Yes, please.
I'm gonna look at the sky through the window. Y'all see that view? That shit bussin'. All right, Walmart haul, the nail stuff, toothbrushes, and toothpaste. I think me and Nat's periods is always different. How do you know when it's recording? It has a red dot in the corner. Oh. Stupid. Yours must have been a week after mine. For some reason, my power drill is not working. Might have to do the closet another day, but we're gonna be putting up my YouTube plaque for 100K because I'm very, very, very proud of this. And we just reached 300K, so thank you guys, all you bad bitches. Not my finger. Wow. Wow. Wait, it's crooked. Does it look crooked? It's crooked. Am I tripping? It's not. Somebody's thumb is ringing. Whose? Yeah. Yeah, that's good enough. Yeah. Alright guys. A little subscriber appreciation moment. Yeah. 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 You push the green thing in it. So then it's like stuck like this.
But the green, the whole thing.
I recommend these if you guys want to save money.
Or does it like come off like?
We don't got like a drill, but we're gonna do what we can a little bit in here. And then the hangers will go. Yesterday I was too tired to continue filming, but here I am with another day. I actually just got back from the gym. I haven't been able to work out for the past 2 weeks because I've been so busy with like moving and I just didn't want to focus on going to the gym, okay? I had to go to an actual gym. I used to work out at my apartment, my old one, but now I have to go to a real one because my apartment now, the gym is not completely finished. I had to go to an actual gym. That was kind of scary and a little bit intimidating. I haven't been to like a real gym in so long. Like I used to go with my mom when I was like in high school. It was kind of a fail because as soon as I walked up in there, I freaking dropped and spilled my water. I was like, oh shit, this is embarrassing. Like at a gym, a lot of people, I don't know, but at a party, people, yes. Tomorrow I'm gonna try a different gym to see if I like the other one instead, so we'll see. But I went to the gym and then I also bought some ingredients because I'm gonna be cooking some chicken wings. So this year, I wanna focus more on saving money and like shopping more smart. Oftentimes when I go grocery shopping, I splurge on like a whole bunch of stuff that I feel like I'm gonna use, and a lot of times I don't use everything I buy. I live so close to stores, so it's just like, why not just go to the store when you need to actually buy something? Oh, look at us, we're chefs. So we've got the chicken here. The way I like to season it is kind of Asian, but I like to use the Famous Dave's rib rub. It's my favorite seasoning. I don't care if it's chicken, steak, whatever. I actually use it in like everything. I like to put a generous amount of this. It just tastes so much better with more seasoning. I have some fried garlic and fried onions in here. I didn't have any, so I took some from my parents' house. I like to put a lot of this stuff in. It's so good. Then I go in with some oyster sauce. Y'all know I love my oyster sauce. And then we go in with some sriracha. And that, my friends, is how I like to season my chicken wings. I ran out of aluminum foil. This is like a pack of 9 chicken wings. I honestly only needed like 6, but I couldn't find one with 6, so I guess I'm eating chicken wings for like the next few days. I've been feeling so like slumpy because I haven't been going to the gym often, and like my body just doesn't feel as like tight and fit, you know? But you know, I still look good. Fit of the day, your girl is wearing this top from Zara. These leggings, I actually got them from the thrift store and I don't even know what brand they are, period. And then some socks. Can y'all see the booty gains? Like, bitch, Period. I know it's like still a small butt, but like it just looks so much more perkier at the top. Period. I am so proud of that. Y'all see that? Alright, bad bitches. So, life goals for this next year. Actually, if you guys don't know, I don't think I mentioned this, but I'm gonna be living here. Alright, let me just say that again. But I'm gonna be living here for like the next 16 to 17 months. I honestly forgot. But it's gonna be like basically a year and a half. I decided to stay here longer because I don't want to worry about finding a new place in like 6 months. Like, I just want to settle and be able to just focus on what I gotta focus on so that I don't have to worry about that. But also, I fell in love with this apartment like crazy, and so I wanted to live here longer. But life goals also. I just want to overall live a healthier lifestyle. I want to go to the gym, you know, focus on what I put in my body. I'm so young, and like if I don't start taking care of my body now, it's just not gonna be good in the long run. My birth dad passed away when I was younger. He passed away like around, I think it was early 40s, and it was due to a heart attack, like heart disease. To me, that's something that I have to think about because I don't want a heart attack one day. I have to just take care of my body, because if I don't, the chances of me having a heart disease is so high. And I want to fix my habits. Like if I put my dishes in the sink, I just want to do the dishes right away. I don't want to let them sit, because if you let them sit, then they're just gonna keep sitting, you know? I feel so good, guys. Like my mental health has went off the fucking roof. I feel amazing. And we've got Chloe, baby. Gave her a bath and cut her hair around her eyes, so she just looks so much cleaner overall. You look like a bushy dog. Also, yesterday me and the girls were able to like organize this closet a little bit more. So over here I have my shoe shelf thing, which all my heels are gonna go on there. Over here I'll have racks, so then I can just hang up all my shirts and stuff like that. Over here, it's very messy, but this is where I'm gonna leave my mirror. And then this is where obviously my drawer is gonna be. It's so messy. And then I have my angel wings up there, which it was so hard to get them up there. 속에 살아가고 있다. 오직 한 가지만 추구해. 그렇지만 나는 어떡해. 이 노래가 너를 조금